10th. Subject English. The boy who broke the bank. Last part we learned last period. Now there is a passage on this part. Read the passage carefully and complete the activities. A1. Simple factual activities. State whether the following statements are rumors or facts. Statements. The manager told the customers to go home and come back next day. Second sentence. Natu was disgusted to see the broken glass and stones cluttering the steps. Said Govindram was hiding in a safe deposit locker. The bank was going out business. So there are 4 sentences which are rumors and which are facts. Who said to whom? Who would have thought the bank would collapse? Second sentence. We went it now. So second question. Who are the persons referred to in the following sentences? In first sentence, he was the last person to know about the Pimpalnagar bank was going bankrupt. Second, he was happy that he had not have a bank account in Pimpalnagar bank. Passage number 5, course book page number 52-53. People were termed dash how it could have happened. A2. Complex factual activity. How did people react when the bank manager told them to return on the following day? Then next question A3. Activity based on vocabulary. Write one word for the following. A person who deliberately causes trouble to people. Second, a person who washes clothes for other people. Third, a person who behaves extremely noisy and violent way in public. Next, a person who is in charge of the business of an organization. So, find out the answer. Second, find and write the infinitives with to form the following in the passage. Third, find the odd man out and underline it. Washerman, mischief maker, sweeper, counter, hooligan. Second, hurtled, cried, declared, gathered, joined. Their, our, his, they, your. Sound, locker, new, door, broom, bicycle. A4. Activity based on contextual grammar. Rewrite the following sentence joining with when, where, which, why. He had finished his work. He sat down on the highest step. Join the sentence. Now complete the sentence using your own adjective clause. First sentence is I read the novel. This is the place. I know an actor. The shopkeeper showed me some caps. Do as directed. Natu raised his hands in gesture of horror. Full stop, he cried. Join the sentence beginning with the word rising. Second sentence, he was determined to get his pay. Change the sentence into exclamatory sentence. Give us our money. Change the sentence in passive voice. So they gathered outside. Write the sentence in present continuous tense. A5. Personal response. How are rumors spread? Are the rumors harmful? Why? Why not? Follow this passage in your notebook as well as your workbook also and complete it. Read it at